Welcome to Black History Month, the White People Edition. Today we're going to talk about Jim Crow laws. And remember, this is for educational purposes only. Trigger warning, this is going to be very uncomfortable for white people. Who is Jim Crow? In the 1830s America, there was a white actor named Thomas Dartmouth Rice who did his acting in blackface or minstrelsy, which is a very demeaning and dehumanizing portrayal of black Americans. And he called his show Jumpin' Jim Crow. And as best we can tell, that's where the name Jim Crow comes from. Jim Crow laws were so serious that white train conductors were actually arrested for seating black Americans in white-only cars, and white landlords were arrested and get put in jail for renting to black Americans. During Jim Crow era, a black American woman who failed to step off the curb to make way for a white man might find that she lost her job the next day or her house was burned down. And by 1910, all southern states had eliminated voting rights for black Americans. Plessy versus Ferguson. But who is Plessy and who is Ferguson? Homer Plessy was a shoemaker, and then some lawyers got together and bought him a first-class ticket to get on a train there in Louisiana. And when the white conductor told him he had to go sit in the segregated car, he was refused. He was arrested with the help of the conductor and some of the white members on that train car. This went all the way through the court cases. And Homer Plessy and Judge Ferguson, Plessy v. Ferguson, where the federal courts end up ruling that separate but equal was legal. And in case you don't think this is still going on, just last year in Tuscaloosa, Alabama at Hillcrest High School, they were doing a play for Black History Month, and the students were told they could not put anything in the play prior to the Civil Rights Act, meaning Jim Crow, black codes, segregation, the 13th Amendment, none of it. And the students protested and walked out, forcing the school board to change their position on it. Yeah, 2023. I'm going to say this over and over. Black history is American history. Have a good day.